got this Hyundai 1999 Hyundai Elantra 2.0 liter engine, complete with timing belt. So that's after the looks all done. So you got this. Sorry about that. Alright, so we got the power steering there. Got the light coming in. Sorry about that. It's got a light coming in behind me. Really can't see much. What I'll say is, look, when it's done, you do it right. It's gonna run good and sound good like that. A few things though, a few issues I came across, figure I'd share with you. The water pump, number one. The water pump, it has these, it has two dowel pins, alright, that should stay in the block or engine when you, excuse me, remove it. Dowel pin 1 is here, dowel pin 2 is going to be here. The problem I ran into is that, of course, I put the gasket on with the proper amount of Permatex and tighten it down to what I thought was tight, because the bolts are small and you don't want to break them off. And I found that the water pump leaked. The bolts need to be tightened down at these 2 points more. These bolts were already tight as they could go, but these bolts here still went another 2 or 3 turns after I discovered it was leaking. So if you do this vehicle, keep that in mind with these dowel pin holes. Make sure the thing is tightened up. Also test, pressure test it if you can, if you have a pressure tester, before you put the cover and everything back on. That'll save you the trouble of having to take it back apart like I did. Also with your tensioner, when I figured I'd show you the tensioner, it's not tricky, it's very easy, but here to just show you. You use an Allen key when tightening the tensioner. Of course the bolt goes in here, so once you have the belt there, just turn your tensioner in the proper position, tighten your bolt down, and there you go. When you put the belt on, make sure the belt's tight. As you look at it, tensioner is on the left hand side, so on the right hand side, let's pretend the belt was here. You want to make sure the right hand side of the belt, where it goes up around the cam, is fairly tight, as tight as it can be, while still in position, and all the slack by the belt. That way when you tighten the belt up, it just takes up the slack and everything's still in line. And that's about it. Oh yeah, that water pump pulley, some other advice on that pulley that's here, it's got the drives it's a multiple 2-pulley setup, has 4 bolts on it. Look, I found out when doing this vehicle, do it from the top, put your hands loose on the top and mess with that water pump. Way easier than doing it from the bottom. So folks, if you take all these tips, you should be able to successfully complete a timing belt. And there's that sticker that I was showing you in the beginning. Once I'm done, I put the sticker on and write the mileage. You see this one was done at 181,000. Still 241,000. So, see that? You'll be able to do that. Thanks for watching, folks.